Hi Salik, how was your trip going with us?
Yes, so Himachal trip expert has done everything what's needed for us. Trip is going super awesome. We are enjoying everything. This is such a hassle-free trip. We don't want to look after anything. Everything is there looking after us, and we are like having a joyful ride with them. And we have covered every nook and corner of Spiti. And it's very, I recommend this to everybody who want to travel to Spiti, Himachal or anywhere. They do very good trips to Ladakh, Spiti, Himachal and everywhere. So yes,
So how's your driver?
so driver is so like, they are so professional as well as they are so expert in their work. They know each and every routes of every nook and corner of Himachal, and all the traveling was simply hassle free, and the hotels and everything was really comfortable. And especially a special mention to Mani Thakur ji as well as
Thank you.
our driver Vishal ji.
Thank you. Neha, please you say also something.
Yeah, trip is really very nice. We are not expecting like this because we are very scared about that. What happen if we are not